Y'all know the motto, new year, new me. So I did a video a while back basically teaching people how to get a free EIN number in former Michigan. A lot of people say, yo, do one in Georgia, do one in Atlanta. So I'm about to show you guys exactly step by step how to do it. I currently don't live in Georgia, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. So I'm going to have this site literally in the description so you can go to it. It is georgia.gov/registered-LLC, but just go to georgia.gov and you'll be able to find it here. LLC, a limited liability company. So you basically want that for whenever you want to start a business. No matter what type of business you have, you want to cover yourself. Instead of having your regular social security number, now you're going to get a tax ID number to be able to help you out. So it tells you everything right here, what you need to do to get prepared, but it's very self-explanatory type of thing. So main thing you're doing is going to create and file registration. Number 3, you're clicking that online service page and you want to see is the business that you want available. So you see where it's a business search right there. You click that. So if I want to do Lando Success, which you guys need to subscribe to, LLC, I hit search and it's a no data found. So that means nobody have that. That is great. That's what we want it to say. Let's say if I want Applebee's. Let's see. Applebee's. Bam. You see Applebee's stuff all over. They got the control number, the address, all of this stuff, active, not active. So you want one that is not available. So once you find out your name and make sure it's not available, you want to set up an account. You see it say online services. Before you continue, make sure you set up an account. Create a user account. Since I don't have a user account, I will be right back because I'm about to put in my information. Now, when you do this, you have to put in a Georgia address. You can get a virtual office. You can get a PO box, different type of stuff. I just put in a Georgia address because I'm not about to actually use this until I actually move to Georgia one day. Never know. Next, you create a login name. They will tell you if it's available, your password, and your favorite childhood friend. So I just received an email saying everything gets successful. I'm in there. So you see a whole heap of crazy different things. All you're doing is clicking create or register a business. That's it. And what you're doing is I am creating a new domestic business, a domestic limited liability company, LLC. Bam. The name of the company is Lando Success LLC. And you can do your second and third choice. The reason they give you these choices because a lot of people don't know how to check the availability. Since you check the availability, you don't have to do a second and third choice. So we'll be good. Upload name approval documents. Now you can read this, but 99.9% of people don't have to do this. So you continue on. And now you look at the codes. This is what type of business are you creating? Let's say I am doing transportation. So if I'm looking for transportation and warehousing, bam. So let's say I'm just transferring freight. So general freight trucking, long distance, bam. So we got our business, our principal office. So this is the office where you're going to have everything located. Now in Michigan, I don't believe they let you put a PO box right here, but if you have a PO box, you can try it. So right here, they ask you to put in your primary email address. Then you can confirm it right there. If you want a backup, I recommend putting the backup in here. So right here, you are creating a registered agent. You are saying if you are the individual or business. If you're watching this, 9 times out of 10, you are an individual. So put in this information. So you see it say, I am created a registered agent. Then down below, you're putting in the organizer information. That is who organizing it. Don't have to worry about this part. Now right here is the filer certification signature. So this is basically if you are filing it today and want everything to go into effect today, you click right here. Now if you want it to go into effect a different date, you will click right here and change the date. But we want it today. Orlando Doe, authorizer, and we hit continue. So we got Lando Success Get my address. Now you're just reviewing everything to make sure it look correct. You click submit. Once you click submit, this is how you can file for literally $100 and you are Gucci and you are good to go. Once you do this, you have three options. $100 if you want it the same day, $350, or you want it 2 business days, $200. I highly recommend doing it regular and just spending $100. It could take 15 to 30 days. I don't know exactly how many days it probably will take you in Georgia, but Michigan, this stuff go through immediately within like a day or two. But soon as you hit submit, it's going to give you your articles of organization number. It's going to give you the numbers that you actually need to be able to put in for your EIN number. Since I'm not in Georgia, I'm not about to click this, but once you do this, the next step is how do you file for your EIN number? So you go to irs.gov, and I'm going to have this link at the bottom also, and it say apply for EIN number online. You need this number when you want to set up a bank account. They're not going to let you set up a bank account unless you don't have this number. When you file your taxes, you're not going to be able to file your taxes without this number. This is your social security number for your business. Now, since I realize it is Saturday and it is not currently business hours, we can't do it, but I did do all of this before with my Michigan LLC, and everything will be the exact same just in Georgia. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for all of this. Leave a comment if this is helping you out, and you can watch this part. Clicking apply online. Now with my last business I don't think I set up an EIN for it yet. So I'm going to check and see and try to put in my own personal information and actually can show you guys what type of legal structure is applying for the EIN. Now remember, are you doing a sole proprietor? Are you doing partnerships, corporation? We are doing a limited liability company. You can do the research and realize which all the difference are. But remember, we are doing a LLC. You have chosen a LLC. What is a LLC? So just in case you're not sure, they're going to make sure you understand what is an LLC. How many members are within the LLC? It's just me. Where is the business physically located? Mine is in Michigan. And you keep on going. Started a new business, hired employees, banking purposes. See, remember I told you need an EIN number to satisfy different banks. So if this one, we're going to click started a new business. So all you are doing is putting in the correct information that you need to put in. Let's see, choose one. I am the owner. So that is it. So I'm about to fill this out and go to the next page. Now this part is where is the LLC physically located? So you put in all of this type of stuff. Do you want to have a different address from the one above to be sent? So then you can put this different, but they said you have to do a US address. You can't use the PO box for this. Use your real address. Right here is tell us about your LLC. The legal name of the LLC must match. I already have the rest of the stuff. The state is in Michigan. The start date of the LLC, I have to pull that up since I did this a long time ago. So tell us more about your LLC. What type of business are you doing? Does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross of 55,000 pounds? No. Does it involve gambling? No. Does your business need to file a form? So you got to check this form, see if you need to file that. No. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, firearms? No. Do you have or expect to have any employees who receive W-2s within the next 12 months? All of these are no for me. If they are yes for you, then put it in there. Okay, what does your business or organization do? They have hotel, they have construction, they have finance, food service. Look at all of these different options. Now with this business, this is more coaching and mentoring advice. So for mine, I will click other because they don't have a direct one. When you click other, they give you more options or you have to break it down. Mine is going to be consultant. Do you provide operational advice and assistance to businesses and organizations? Marketing and promotion. How would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? you have two options. You can receive it online or you can receive it by mail. We are going to do everything online. So in that last part is going to show you a confirmation of your EIN number. It's going to have documents you can print out if you would like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You just learned how to start your own business, get your EIN, could go to the bank, be legit for $50 just by watching the YouTube. All I ask is for you to press the like button, press the subscribe button. Well, we get to do this on here. You guys just figured out how to start your business for $100 in Georgia. Let me know in the comments, help out the algorithm if this actually helped you guys out. Let me know everything worked because this is for 2023. Too much is not going to change. If it do change, let me know in the comments. Talk to you guys soon, and I'm out.